Meteorologist Kyle Dickinson, the First Alert Forecast Center. We are tracking that potential for severe storms here Monday. Got some good news though. We talked about this yesterday, and that threat is going to remain conditional here. And in fact, Storm Prediction Center has nudged that threat a little bit further to the north and west, although that's based off of this conditionality here that we might see a cap that holds in place and storms not to form. If they do form and we break that cap, we'd be talking about some significant severe weather still. Some strong tornadoes, large to very large hail, destructive winds, all possible. Again, looking less likely though. That's the good news. As we head throughout the evening tonight and into tomorrow, the winds are going to increase. These are not thunderstorm related, but yeah, gusting up to 40 miles an hour. Again, we are tracking that potential for some significant tornadoes. This is the significant tornado parameter product that we look at that shows us where the environmental ingredients, that is, are going to be the highest. And look at this. Up into southeast Minnesota here, even down into central and parts of our area too, but central Iowa, the ingredients are just off the chart. And very rare to see this type of setup here. But as you see, we get to midnight, we do see some of that too here. So it looks like it might be an overnight deal, unfortunately for us. Those are never good. So if we can get storms to move through, that potential will be there to see maybe one or two of them rotate. If scenario 2 plays out, where we hold that cap in place, storms don't form until we get into that late evening hour. So we start off the morning, could see a brief shower, but I'm keeping the things dry here throughout the morning. Then we get to the afternoon, look at that, 86 degrees. I think might be a little aggressive here. I think we'll be in the mid 80s though for sure. Still very warm, close to record highs. And then, yeah, you could see as we get through the evening, Exact Track is not picking up on any activity here. Forms that line though, but not till about midnight, and so that moves through and again keeps us mostly dry. So that is one model. We look at another model though. This one's a little bit more aggressive on storm development here. As we get to 7 p.m. you can see storms firing up, congealing into a line. By about 10, 11 o'clock they start to move in, and then we get that line to move in as well. It's look at 2 a.m. still slicing through the region. That could be severe. The whole deal here, folks, is going to be we're going to have a cap in place. We get through the evening hours, and it looks like that cap's going to hold until, according to this model, until 4 a.m. So really a big toss-up here on how this is all going to play out, but here, I'll break it down for you. We got two scenarios. The cap breaks, dangerous supercells form, or scenario 2, the cap holds, and we get some severe weather towards the evening hours. I'm leaning towards that. So right now it looks like we'll see more isolated severe weather than widespread severe weather, but nonetheless the potential is there. So still want to be weather aware here as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Tuesday then, we clear out, cool off to 67 degrees. We get towards the middle of the week. We do bring some more rain chances into the forecast, but temperatures are going to hold steady here in the mid to upper 60s. We're back into the 70s by the time we get to Sunday.